Anybody interested in a giveaway? Now you did hear that correctly. Today's video does come with a giveaway. And if you happen to be new to the channel, well, welcome to the channel. I'm Chris, and this is Tech Vibe. Now, before we get into the giveaway details, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review of what we're actually giving away today. Now, for those of you that aren't actually familiar, this is the Quest 2. And this is actually one of the best headsets that there is on the market today. And there are a couple reasons for that. One of the two biggest reasons are the affordability of this thing and the versatility of this thing. This headset is actually able to give a great VR experience without the necessity or the need of a gaming computer such as this. You don't have to have a computer at all if you don't want to, and still get a good VR experience, which hasn't been done yet and has allowed the adoption rate of VR to really consistently grow at a great rate. This has allowed the technologies for VR to be constantly developed, and I'm so serious when I say that I am very excited for the future of VR. I love this thing. I absolutely love VR. It's fantastic technology. I love it. Now, everything wasn't all golden gravy when it came to the Oculus Quest 2. In fact, the comfortability of this thing was a pretty big pain point for a lot of people that actually bought this headset. And this was even a controversial thing because Facebook did this on purpose, so you would most likely buy their Headstrap that they provided at launch for an additional $50. And it was kind of stupid. But innovation and capitalism has brought us to today. And that's what we've got going on for you guys today. A Headstrap for your Oculus Quest 2 that, well, can make it a lot better. Now, the Headstrap that you see here is known as the Frankenquest 2, and I actually did a video about this one if you guys want to check it out, but today is not about this Headstrap. This Headstrap is solely for comparison because I thought that this was the most comfortable Headstrap that you could buy for your VR Oculus Quest 2 until today. Today, well, we were sent a Headstrap by bestorcs.com, and guys, I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed. So we're gonna do an unboxing on this thing, do a little bit of a review, and well, then we're gonna give some away. So let's do it. Now, right now we do have the Elite Quest strap on here, and I have talked about this in previous videos before, and I do think it's comfortable, but in the past, at least, I don't know if it's still a current issue with it, these things were actually very flimsy and would break often, and it was a big issue when they were first launched. And for $50 that could possibly break on you, I don't think it was that great of an investment. But I don't know if that's still the case. It may not very well be, but let's see how this thing installs. So we'll just get this thing out here real quick. Felt like it's about to break right there. And as far as installing this one, it looks like you can just slide it in to the little slots on each side. Now you do have a little sticky adhesive that comes in the packaging that you can use. Try to get some kind of cable management going for this. But that's as easy as it is. I mean, it's really simple as far as installing it goes. But let's see how the quality is. I mean, you can loosen it up by the turn of this wheel, which is something that the Elite strap did. So, I mean, that's not a bad design there. Cushion. It appears that it would be very soft and comfortable to wear. But we'll know when we actually get it on and test it. Seems like there's a lot of customization as far as how you want it to actually feel. And it looks like you can really turn this and bend this to your liking. So that's good to see. Cups on the ears. Have a loaded spring mechanism, so they appear to clasp to you. But we'll see how well they cup you here shortly. So let's get this thing on and see how good it plays and feels while we're playing. Hey. We're bad man. We're bad man right here. Got levitation powers. Levitation. Levitation, Holmes. Got the power to kill it. I thought that would work. So the headset is actually not bad. I mean, you McMuffin. Oh, shoot.
Three, two, one, go! Shot to the head!
Again. Move to the next objective.
Juggle kill!
Getting started.
You're having a blast!
Come again. Move to the next objective.
Where I want to say this thing kind of differs a little bit from the deluxe audio here is this how it kind of goes on and rests. So this part kind of feels like it goes underneath the back of your head and kind of cradles it, and this sits on top of your head. At least that's how I was wearing it and felt the most natural to me, and that was different for me considering how these things kind of just cup the back of your head, as you can see here. So you're kind of just getting this right here in the back of your head, and then instead of having this strap here, this part takes care of that, and you're just kind of open right here, and it doesn't feel like there's as much just holding you there, which, you know, kind of added to the comfortability of it, at least I thought. Now, as far as ranking goes, I'm still going to keep my Frankenquest 2 in first place because With this head strap, I feel like I can just do whatever I want to, get as crazy as I want to, and this isn't going to go anywhere. Now, that's not to say like this one's going to fall off. This one just felt a little more secure to me. Now, as far as comfortability goes, they pretty much equal, honestly. These kind of just had a different feel to them. This one was kind of a new feeling, kind of a little bit more free feeling, but comfortability, I'm going to give them the equal. And as far as audio goes, I'm going to give it to this one. This one was definitely a better audio experience. This one's good, but the cupped ears really make a big difference here, and you can't really ignore the prices either. You're going to pay $120 to podge this thing together, and you can pay $60 to get this thing, and it's super easy to install. So I'm still giving it to Frankenquest, but not disappointed. I'm not disappointed. Okay guys, so the giveaway, super easy. All you got to do is like the video, go to the description, click that giveaway link. It'll give you additional ways to get multiple entries into the giveaway, and on the 25th it'll end and multiple people will be getting a head strap for free. You don't have to pay anything. You just get it. It'll be sent to you. You'll be contacted and get those details, but there it is. That's it. That's all you got to do. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe, and if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you. Listen, I'm gonna